Meaning of de rigueur.
De rigueur.
De rigueur.
De rigueur.
De rigueur. De rigueur is a French phrase that means something that is considered necessary or required as part of an expected standard. It is often used to describe fashion or social customs that are widely accepted and expected. For example, black tie attire is de rigueur at formal events. This term is also commonly used in industries that prioritize certain protocols or practices. In essence, de rigueur refers to something that is customary or essential for a particular setting or situation.